how to pay for NFL Sunday ticket monthly. You have two options. Option number one, month-to-month plan. In this option, first you have to sign up, go to NFL channel page on YouTube and select Get NFL Sunday Ticket. Then choose to sign up for the month-to-month plan as a standalone service. Now you may be required to sign in with a Google account. After signing in, you will get the services. Now for pricing, the price for the month-to-month plan varies. New subscriber may pay a lower rate for the first 2 months, but this price increases after the initial period. You will be charged a monthly fee to continue your subscription. These plans allow you to cancel at any time without a long-term commitment. Now the option 2 is 12-month payment plan with YouTube TV. First, you have to sign up. If you are a YouTube TV subscriber, you can sign up for NFL Sunday Ticket and opt to pay in 12 monthly installments. The total cost is split into 12 monthly payment, which is often at a lower rate than month-to-month plan. For example, a $378 subscription can be paid in 12 monthly payments of $31.50. Now, this option requires a YouTube TV subscription and cannot be used in some states as mentioned here. So that's all.